Welcome to Jagran Public School, Noida. Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all must be happy and healthy. Am I right? So children, today we'll learn about the new chapter, that is chapter 2, Rules of Computer. What? Rules of Computer. So let's revise the chapter. Here I'll show you the places where we use computer. These are the places where we use computer. Offices and banks, airports and railway stations, shops and shopping malls, schools, hospitals and home. So there are some purpose we use computer for. We use computer for designing cars, buildings, books, clothes, jewelries, aeroplanes, robots, etc. We use computer for teaching. We use computer for booking of aeroplane tickets or railway tickets. Computers are used for communication and launching satellites. Computers are used to make animated movies and 3D graphics. Computers are used for space research. So, in this chapter, we'll do the back exercise. So, this is part B, fill in the blanks. So, I'll tell you what you have to fill in these blanks. Number 1, a device needed to do a particular task is called an equipment. What? Equipment. Now the second one is engineers use computers to design a car. Design a car. Teachers use computers for typing schedules and circulars. Who use computers for typing schedules and circulars? Teachers. Now the fourth one is computers are used for space research and for launching satellites. For launching satellites. Now the D part is look at the given pictures carefully. Put a tick on the picture where computers are used. Put a cross on the picture where computers are not used. So see the first picture. This is the picture of a mall. So we use computer over here or not? Yes, we use computer. So put a tick. Now the next picture is of a vegetable seller. Have you seen a vegetables using computer? No. Cross it. Then the next picture is of a hospital. Yes, hospital uses computer for so many purposes. Next picture is of a school. Yes, you have learned in this chapter that we use computer for so many purposes in the school. Let's do the questions and answers. Question number 1 is, list any 2 uses of computers in schools. So the answer is for preparing timetables, for teaching students. Question number 2, what work can be done using computers in offices? So the answer is to store large amount of information and to send and receive emails. Question number 3 is, name a few things that can be designed using computers. So there are so many things, but I am mentioning few of them. These are cars, robots, clothes, jewelry, etc. Question number 4 is, why are computers used in banks? Answer is to maintain records of customers and to do calculations. Now the back exercise is having this column also. Using the picture as clues, name the places where computers are being used. Write the names. So you can see 4 pictures over here. So let's see which are these places. These are hospital, designing, shopping mall, and defense. These are some places and some purposes. So let's learn about some definitions of this chapter. First is schedule. What is the meaning of schedule? A plan that states the proper sequence of activities. Now the next one is diagnose. What do you mean by diagnose? Diagnose means identifying a medical problem. Now the next one is equipment. What do you mean by equipment? Equipment is a device needed to do a particular task. Now the next one is missile. Missile is a powerful weapon thrown from a long distance to hit a target. Next, satellite. What do you mean by a satellite? Satellite is a device that orbits in space around the Earth to get useful information. So children, you have revised this chapter, right? And you have done the back exercise of this chapter also. So take care. Bye bye. Take care always.